Today, I will show you how to lock and hide WhatsApp chats on your Android and your iPhone devices. If you have any questions towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, simply open your WhatsApp app and then click on any chat that you like to lock. The next thing you have to do is to click on that contact name at the top. So once you click on it, just scroll down a little bit. You are going to see chat lock. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to ask you to input your fingerprint or input your phone password. So once you put that in there, it's going to be turned on. So now whenever you open your WhatsApp, let me close my WhatsApp. Whenever you open your WhatsApp, you're going to see at the top there is now a lock chat tab. Now in order for you to access this tab, you're going to need your fingerprint or you're going to need your phone password. So if I click on it right now, you see that they will actually ask me for my fingerprint or they will ask me for my password. So once I insert any of that, it's going to actually open up and then I will be able to access this lock chat. So let me quickly show you guys the trick to actually turn off this lock chat. So while you are inside the tab, all you have to do is just click on any of the chats that you want to actually remove from this lock section. Once you click on it, do the same thing again. Also click on the contact name and then scroll down. You are going to see the chat lock option. So what you have to do right now is to turn it off. So once you click on it, it's going to actually ask you for your password or your fingerprint so you can actually turn it off. And once you add that in there, it's going to be turned off. So that's just how it works. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.